Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we are making a very sweet and delicious native spaghetti. You are going to love this one, guys. You are going to enjoy it and your family is going to love it. If today is your first time coming across this channel, you're welcome. My name is Chidera. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video, leave your comment for me in the comment section and share the video. Okay, please help me to share this video. And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for subscribing. You're welcome to this beautiful family. To my OGs, thank you guys for always coming back to support your girl. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get started. And here are my ingredients for this native pasta. So here I have my roughly blended pepper mix. So in here I have garlic, ginger, I have fresh pepper, and I have bawa. Okay. And then I'm using palm oil, okay, because this is native pasta, so we are making use of palm oil. I have my pomo here, which I have already washed and sliced. My seasoning cube, I'm using the Maggi star. In here is my chopped onions. So for my fish, I'm using panla fish. I've already washed and deboned this fish. And here is my crayfish. Yes, we need crayfish because it's native pasta. So guys, we are going to start now to start making our sauce. And in a pan, I'm going to be heating up my palm oil. And once the oil is hot, I'm going to be frying my fish and my pomo. This is so they can release each flavor into the oil, okay? But this is optional. If you don't want it, you can just skip it. So now that our fish and omo is fried, I'm going to be taking it out from the oil. As you can see, it's fried, okay, properly fried to the way I want it. So I'm going to be taking them out now. In the same oil, I'll be adding in my chopped onions. I'm going to be frying these onions for 2 to 3 minutes, okay? Now that the onions is fried, I'll be adding in my pepper mix. I will stir this, allow this to fry for just few minutes before I will add in my seasonings. So guys, it's few minutes later. I'm going to be adding in my seasoning cube and my salt. Then I'm going to stir and allow this to fry for some more. Guys, if you have watched me up to now, it means you are enjoying this video. Please help me to like this video if you have not liked this video, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, you are wrong. Go help me to subscribe to the channel and share this video. Okay, help me to share the video now. All right, thank you. So guys, now that our pepper meat is fried, I'm going to be adding in the fish and the pomo that I fried. So I'll be adding them now. And then I will add in the crayfish. I'm going to stir this and allow this to fry for few more minutes, okay? So guys, at this point our sauce is ready. See here, you can use this sauce like this to eat your yam, your plantain, like you can use it to even eat your rice, or just cook plain pasta and use that eat like this. Okay, like the sauce is looking so yummy and it's also very yummy. But no, we are not done yet. Okay, I'm going to take this down now and I will start preparing our pasta. So here I have a pot here already, and there is water inside. So I'm going to allow this water to come up to a boil, and once the water is boiled, I'll be adding in salt now. I will stir to mix now, and then I will add in my pasta. I'm using the Crown Premium pasta. I will cover now and allow this to cook. Please always read the instruction on the back of your pasta, okay? So to know how many minutes it takes your own pasta to cook. So now our pasta is cooked. I'm going to sieve it out from the water. Back to our sauce, I just added in a little bit of water to loosen the sauce, okay? Then I'll be adding in my pasta. So now I'm going to be mixing this now to combine everything together, okay? Guys, have you liked this video? Have you subscribed to this channel? Have you shared this video? Have you? Please subscribe, like, share, okay? And let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I hope you are going to be trying out this recipe. Look how yummy and delicious our pasta is already looking like. So now I'm going to be adding in my scent leaf, and then I'm going to mix it, allow this to cook for few more minutes, okay? And guys, our delicious and yummy native spaghetti is ready. Look how yummy and delicious this spaghetti is looking like. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share this video, leave your comment for me in the comment section, okay? And if you want to go further to appreciate me, please use the thanks button, okay? Thank you so much guys for watching, and until I come your way next time, please stay safe. Bye.